charts. What's happened? From setting. Okay, we are still in the no trade range area. Almost 3 minutes. 32 minutes, 33 minutes almost news. Germany construction PME and Eurozone, same construction PME. Still are flat numbers, there is no forecast. We'll see. Not the latest market. Let's back on the chart. Let's see what volume we can write. Coming news. I said yesterday I don't trade. Can we open here? Retest the low. Make a new lower low. Push, we fill. This price, last necessary. Up, break, down. Here, so hard break, and last break up. Now we have here Frankfurt high. Commercial interest 1 minute 15 seconds. Let's see if open can make a it down after push up and break the last high. It's a possible for this on here, for I feel, but I don't think so safe. Look how many times try to break up. No. New break. No. Don't touch. Down. Again up. Pulling back. No. Again open. Pull it down. Up. It didn't break. 25 seconds. The other scenario will be when open. Get your victim and break before open. It's crazy. 8 seconds. 8 seconds and start to break. Okay. It's too fast. But now, if reach the high of the same candle, we can go for a buy. 1, 2. It's extreme fast. And extreme pulling back. 10, 15 pips like nothing. It's more risky. Move 55, 42. It's so crazy. Yeah, it's a rubber effect. Plus a small candle a week. But look what make. Here we can't enter because it's too fast. I'll pull back and again break up too fast. Now let's see the last high. Or maybe 4 rejected this 28 pips. But if you enter just somewhere, it's a 50-50% gambling, like through news, because what made look was here before 9, 10 pips pull back in a second. awaiting for this reaction. If touch these zones, but even original breakout just fill this zone before open, and after make a gap. Look, open 2 pips gap. Okay, let's see the new high, 2 minutes 45 seconds. If you enter Kuno, it's a risky. Because it was a very nice volume, but 2 big breakups in here. The last second fill, open, move was here, around 10 pips. Again, pull it back, again, boom here. I don't know if force this first candle. Personally, I think I wait the second candle or even no trade day. Because look here, break up, again, make around 10 pips move. That is not 10 pips profit. If you don't close on around 5 pips based on your broker spread, it's pulling back on entry. It's not about fear or something, but don't like this type volume, like break up extreme, hard to catch, really break up after making 10 pips pullback with a big volume, with a rising spread. It's an instant out on my 50 pips. But coming last minute, that can be very good if it's pullback and leaving bigger big upper. After can be interesting. Go for a weak fill. But we'll see and how to close the candle. You'll see this candle same. It's a struggling here, 10, 15 pips. Some pips 6 pips up, and 10 pips down. Okay. Don't leave too big candlestick. This is why just a break from previous high. It's possible by 1, pullback, 2. Okay, for let's say go here. Can make a new high. Rejected the new high. This is why I wait 1, 2, 3 breakout. It's possibly more aggressive here, like for a flip take, but it's also let's look the bigger picture. It's okay. Go for a flip. It can be nice. Slip till here. It's how much? So just last 4 pips. This one is temporary, also break up, maybe entry. Here's a possible sweep, not too much. If you enter here and take 10, 50 pips, it's okay. For me, don't like the volume. Here's an extreme pulling back volume. Now make a wick up, make a new high. We don't catch on this 2 pips breakout once. Only 1 pips breakout was there. Around. But we don't catch on it and flip back. This is why sometimes it's here jump on it. It's so aggressive. Nice 22 pips from up and down, but I don't know. It can be happen here or somewhere down, and after flipping up and continue up. We have 2 minutes from this candle. This was a lovely trade in 2024 third quarter. Make it big up move with the chance entry, and after going up, don't reach the previous high, don't make a higher high and flip down, then we take a sell. But now it's low 50-50. Let's check how to close this candle in 66 seconds. Again, what I see possible. Sweep the candlestick price. If close with a bigger candlestick, 50 pips, not bad. If close we somewhere like here, you can wake up and start pushing down. 30 seconds. I don't know now draw where we'll close. I'm not predictor. I don't have a magic ball. Receive the future. Move your break zone till end of candle. Okay, very nice. Come down. Break down. You can go for a sell. Once. Second. Reject. Let's look again from new low. Touching. Not in the credit volume. No. Here, pure green. Here, dodging red. With a new higher high. Higher low. And small dodging body. Let's come in, try to flip the trend. And looks, it didn't happen. If the possible sell for equal, and if we make a new higher high without creating a lower low of previous candle, then we can go for a buy. It's just scenario. Okay, once. Yeah, it's very interesting. The first candle doing just with a lower volume and playing this well, in a 40 ping. So 2 minutes. Mm, okay, right here, no, don't enter and moving exit to 5 pips. So 1 2 pips break down and after pushing back 10 pips. It's too much. Okay, let's see finally. Time. One is 55. 55 seconds. One minute 30. Now I'm going to break in the last minute. Like here. Okay, don't break, but no break. 0.5 pip. Minutes 10. Still struggling in this zone. Like here. Okay. From a 35, 22 pips. It's more like half, more like 50% breakdown, but after go first make a little new high, after go down, feel more than 50% of previous candle. What they say in the last 30-second break and make a new high. This gamma, it's that's not now. If retest high, last bullish candle high, after continue up, or repeat again, create a new high after going down. Let's see which one. Okay, inside 7 pips made like so nice like rubber effect. Break up once, second, third, okay. Also see here your volume. You make sure some slippage, 6 pips. Oh, it's okay. 3 pips. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 out. Okay, it was a patient 10 pips. And after 10 pip, look how much pulling back. Pulling back the 10 pips. what we exactly do, then we must do more like 10 pips. Yes, 11.27. Mm. If you think you have emotional control to close these 10 pips, okay. Sometimes you enter and you can have 15 pips, or somewhere here you enter with the spread, and after you overhold here with 50 17 pips running profit. After going up here 13 plus 1 2 pips spread, and you are out to see what I saw. Nice volume. To check. Oh, you're so far from Emma. Mm, okay, I'm gonna check. We wait 60 minutes, 10 seconds. We don't jump emotionally on this candle. Uh, we don't try force trade again the trend here. Not this sometimes it's possible. I think it's not the best way. 2026 here happened the breakout in the last 30 seconds. And here make a wick down, push it up, pull it back, push it up, break one, two, boom. And what we trade after 60 minutes 10 seconds, and we hold 33 second the spread, just 33 seconds from it looks like in out, but okay, wait 60 minutes 10 seconds, and after trade 33 seconds, it's very nice because after now it's how much time, it's the last 25 seconds again in the last minute make a next break. You will be hold next 3 minutes for next 8 pips. Don't wait less. For next 7.5 minus spread, uh, I don't know. Uh, Not too much. Okay. For me, like entry, that's for today. Even very very entry, we made so nice week down, but don't so like again make gap around 2 pips. What's happening? On GER40 after London Open, making a gaps. Okay, reopen market. Okay, Asia session, no volume. Uh, Gaps appear, but and the open I see so often between candles don't open and close the price. Look, really we take a volume, and now it's start to pushing down. Let's see what's happened. Maybe we reach some. Yes, that's a level we reach. Look, once the price come here, break down, up, down, and continue up. Long term, nothing. We almost make a new all time high. Miss around I think 50 or 70 bips, but no new all time high. And what I see here, look this strong SR, but normally rejected. This this we hit, ding 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 ding, sweep zone, Ding, 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 ding. Okay, now wants to hit and going down. Let, let's see the news if some numbers are more close. No, still is a flat. It's just a price action. Just a price action, and the market react for a price action, open lower and go down without whatever. If we make a big push down and after pulling back again push down and again break the low the same candle, it will be rubber effect. That's a very good tradable rubber effect. But it wasn't a rubber effect. It's just to make a push down now to start a pulling back because it's on island 10:23, 23 minutes after London Open. Here was a big push volume injection. Here was trying to flip and can't. And here, same. Push it money. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And at the end, in the last half minute, push it big money to break up. And here again, small week down, big push, pull back, big push again. It's a pure bull market domination. Here, we are trying to break most the bears. Fail. Here again. I say okay. Let's put here money. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. We will see what. Some sharks said okay. Put there X billions. Big lot open. Break. Here. Okay. Push it more money. Someone here. Take out the money like we. Because we train the so same like banks. We don't have billions because we don't use people's money like banks or investments companies. But you can copy the most. How we can enter here and better go out here to not overhold because it's a so big volume. Okay. 12. We grab here the fast 30 some seconds liquidity push and after pull it back on almost on entry and after okay pull it up more 7 pips but tick scalping it's hunting pips inside candle. Nice. Sometimes I say I think many times as you understand. Okay, that's all in a 5 minutes news. Constructor PME index. Constructor PME price manager index. I don't know. Here's a no forecast. Look how reacting the market. Reach the SR strong from past. It's a fallout fully down. Okay, close with a middle candlestick, but don't reach a lower low. Now making a week up, start to push it down. Based on price action, if break this level, we can continue down, but don't recommend not because news, not because volume, not because whatever. Price action, yes, sitting like breaking down of this candlestick, but after candlestick, 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 doji, candlestick. No, if you today asleep the London Open, look, I come sometimes. I don't know how much time next week. We'll see. This week I first time trade 2 times. It's okay. Okay, checking the chat. If some question or nothing. Okay. See you next week. Enjoy the week. Check the recaps. Learn. Practice. One demo after on smaller live or funded account with a lower risk. And after you can push up, raise the risk up to half to 1% maximum. But my maximum recommendation is 0.7 risk. If you have allowed daily 5% and maximum drawn loan 10%. Or live account bigger 1-2%. Same. I think if you have free money, 1-2K, it's a possible scalp. I think with some hundreds euro you can practice on demo account and after buy some funded account based on your available money for funded accounts. Because with a live some hundred euro, dollar, whatever, you can so scalp big. This is why I say use smart the logic, the money, the funded capital. Yeah, there's you need pass the challenge. What is a fight? But after you have a multiply withdrawal weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, like you invested in money. Because if you trade at the same time on a life, okay, you are from a first state when you are profitable. Long term, it's a profit, okay. Let's say you risk 1%, you made 1%. Is calculation or 0.5, 70% win rate. Recalculate, I make a video calculation, but it's in pips. Let's give around 25 pips weekly. It's a 250 on 100 euro account weekly. Monthly, it's by 4. More is the calculation. Is a 10 euro. Okay, it's the best return account. If you do same on funded account, it's a pass the phase 2, phase 1. If you're phase 2 next 2 weeks, it's weeks 2 to 4 weeks, it's about to pass next phase. And after, even if you buy for 100 euro, take a funded account, and you made the same, and again, mm, 25 pips by risking 1% per trade. Easy calculation now, but you will decrease more. Uh, I mean, if you just make up 1% weekly, it's a bi-weekly 2%. 2% from 10k, it's 200. Opposite, mm, it's 2.5 months. In 2.5 months, maybe I don't know, 25 euro, maybe on the live. And on a funded account in 2.5 months, so you get on 200 euro. It's around eight time multiply. It's a discipline, consistency, and all. Not for everyone. Funded account. Okay, let's make news. I will look back on the chart. Push, try to flip, push, break up before end of the candle. No, because we was here in, I think in on the chart, not in position. We wait new break up, boom, and then with the slippage we made 10 pips. Rejected, make a sideways, retested the almost the low of the previous candle. What I say here, it's a possible call for a sell and break the low of the previous candle. What didn't happen. After make push up, make a higher high opposite previous candle, higher like London high. It's a new London high. After coming new candle, make a week. Don't check this candle when I talk. Uh, but let's say make a week down and so looking pushing up. But this is what me personally through this news when I was in Germany in Eurozone same time both news. Let's check. Same, it's a flat. Germany PME 42.1, actual 42.4. It's a not so big change, I think. Uh, Eurozone construction PME 41.7 previous and 43.7 actual. At the beginning of the this year was 47, then it's 41, 43. It's like just a little move. And in 25 minutes, ECB President Lagarde speak. I don't know now it's a rate cut or was, you know, coming rate cut in the US. After 12 rate is retail sales afternoon start. Mainly US news, jobless, non-farm productivity, FOMC, Fed Reserve balance, Fed Reserve Bank. Main news will today afternoon, and Germany can register in 2.5 hours. It can be something interesting where can little fly the price because it's around around open of London, yes. Oh, London, New York. Okay, that's for today. I think we have patience. That's all. Sometimes it's boring. I think what I'm Monday. Don't try it, right? I don't know. I don't remember. Just 3 day back. Let's to check if have a patient not trade or what it's happened. On Monday, but I trade one loss, one win. You can check what's happened. I think same entry, just first time somehow pull it back. And after a game breakup, I take the second time. Okay, here. Oh, yes. Make a week down. Look. Make a week down 10 pips. After break up, it was a pulling back, breakup, pulling back. Okay, I enter and pull it back after some pips. But after again go up, break up again, this SL level what I take here, and after go up and make a 15 pips close. So I close this one day around 1 pips, and and today made 11 pips, 11 something. Just on today. But I say if you trade 5 day a week and you have 70, 80, 90% win rate consistently, you can make 25 30 pips. Recalculate with your risk. Mm. It's sometimes it's the first candle of 5 minutes, sometimes it's a third candle of 16, and inside 16 minutes out. I think it was a nice trade. Uh, you're just a patient. Okay. Last time, same. I'll see you next week on short weekend. Maybe I got some educational part from this live. Learn, enjoy, inspire. We can to have power trade or learn trade practice, and then out patient don't enter when you don't need, or be sure with your strategy. If happen whatever here like today, like big push, okay, we don't stress, break up again, we don't stress, uh here's a big push after pullback, and after a break up we take, and here after may make a without pick up, fall down, make a sideways here, same, struggling, and after getting the news, it's a push it up, push it up, dodgy, and now it's falling down because we are so close to uh, 50 missing to reach again, psychological level. It's a so close, monthly ATH here. Little back. Let's go higher time frame. 36. Uh, May 25, around 24, 5. So we're gonna pass here. It's fully up. It's 25, that's 4K plus minus. So we'll be react aggressively market by the news car sales in Germany around New York Open, and after when reacted the price, you will the new answers, and I don't say a tick scam, but maybe into the it's okay through New York, but will be today many things news etc. But you can trade on don't can you can trade or can trade don't bother if you even a lot. It will be fly the chart US market, and if you trade this if it fly all all US indices, it will move in a some direction bigger GER42. It's a years of experience. It's working. This is why it's a possible on London or Nice open trade even across US indices or European indices, because it's always moving. If don't move once, moving next. Okay, guys, enjoy the day. Me too. Go on there and wake up and enjoy the day. Bye bye. Have a nice day.